Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to show you how you can revive the dead battery. And if you can see, I have a red light and I have a green light. The red light means the battery is not charging anymore, and the green light means the battery is completely okay. So I'm going to remove both of the batteries, and I will follow the same steps like the car jump starter. So I will attach one wire, positive to positive and negative to negative. So once you attach those wires, you will see one spark. So that means the another dead battery got some power. Make sure your the good battery should be charged 100% or at least above 90%. And so you don't worry about your dead battery right now. So once your battery is completely charged, put the positive to positive and negative to negative, and just wait for the spark, and you just need for a couple second, and then you have to detach these wires again, and you need your charger back, and put those batteries again to the charger, and wait. If you can see the green light, and if you see the green light, that means the battery is working completely fine again. And now I'm putting my batteries back, and you can see I have a both flashing green light. That means my batteries are working completely fine now. Thank you.